Are you ready to turn your creative passion into a thriving business? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to connect your Etsy store to Gelato. By joining forces with Gelato, you'll be able to create and sell your own custom products globally without having to worry about production or shipping. You're in luck because connecting to Gelato is super easy, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you've already created your Etsy store. If you haven't done so yet, don't worry. Check out our video on how to get started, which you can find linked here or in the description below. Once your Etsy shop is all set up, head over to your Gelato dashboard. Select Store from the left-hand menu, select Etsy, and click Connect. You'll be prompted to log into your Etsy account, so go ahead. But make sure to use the credentials that you use to set up your Etsy seller's account. Then grant access to Gelato. This will allow the two platforms to communicate with each other seamlessly. Once you've granted access, make sure to refresh your Gelato dashboard in order to see your connected Etsy store. And voila, your Etsy store is now connected to Gelato. Once you've connected, you will need to list Gelato as a production partner on Etsy. Here's how you do that. Head back to your Etsy store and go to your settings, then go to production partners. Here you can add Gelato and add Oslo, Norway as our location, as that's where our headquarters are. You can read more about how to list production partners in the article that we've listed below. Now that your store is connected to Gelato, you're one step closer to launching your business. The next step is to add products. We'll teach you how to do just that in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our team for support at hello@gelato.com. We'll see you in the next video.